G'day, welcome to Todd's Kitchen. While most cheesecakes are incredibly delicious, they're also not exactly healthy for you too. But this one's a lot different, in moderation of course, and I know that you'll love it. So join me today as I make my version of a low carb protein cheesecake. Okay, so we're going to do this all in one bowl. It's pretty simple. And first we're going to use 250 grams or 8.5 ounces of cottage cheese. Now I'm using the low fat version, but it honestly makes no difference. As this is a keto recipe, a bit of fat isn't going to matter. And then to that I'm going to add 2 egg whites, followed by a decent scoop of protein powder. Now you can use plain or vanilla, that's up to you. Of course, make sure it's the sugar-free, no-carb protein powder. Then to that about a tablespoon of stevia. And finally a teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla paste. Now all we have to do is just beat it up for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's well combined. Okay, so I've got some ramekins here. Now we don't need a springform pan simply because we're not making a base for this cheesecake recipe. Because we want to keep it as keto as possible. But as a quick tip, I've just got some cooking spray oil. So I'm just going to grease the inside of our ramekins. And we just want to pour our mixture into each ramekin. And that's it, that's all the preparation needed. How simple are these cheesecakes? So we're going to place them into a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius or 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Okay, so now that our cheesecakes are done, we're just going to open the door slightly. And we're just going to leave it there like that for about an hour just to let them cool down naturally. This will help minimize any cracking of the cheesecakes. And then after that hour, place them in the fridge for about 3 hours to completely cool down. And there we have a very easy but very delicious keto cheesecake. Incredibly simple to make, incredibly healthy. You have no carbs and no sugar, but it tastes fantastic. So in moderation, this truly is a guilt-free cheesecake recipe. So it's perfect for a keto diet, but it's also perfect as a sweet treat now and then. But the best thing is, let's give it a try. That was really good. The vanilla extract really does set this off. It's nice and creamy, yet fluffy at the same time. It is just perfect. So I highly recommend this recipe. It's not only incredibly delicious, it's incredibly healthy too. But no matter if you're having it as a keto recipe or as a general healthy recipe, either way, it's going to taste simply delish.